welcome back to my channel. My name is Deshay, aka Shea Butter. If you are new here, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and go ahead and hit the notification bell beside it so that you can be notified every time I post a video. So this is gonna be another eye makeup tutorial before work. So we're gonna do a different color than last time. In my previous eye makeup video, I did red with black on the corners. So this time I want to go in detail on how to do your eyeliner, okay? Because I know not everybody can do eyeliner. Not everybody can do a wing on the side. So let's go ahead and hop into it. First, I usually always start off with combing these eyebrows. If you see me sweating, because it's very hot in here, okay? It is very hot in here. Just like that. I have already washed my face, took a shower. I'm already sweating, so let's make this quick. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my eyeliner. Again, this is just from Walmart. It's a Color Bash Cosmetics regular eyeliner, you guys. Liquid eyeliner. And this is the one that's kind of like you're writing. Doing eyeliner or doing a wing is just like doing cursive. You see this Chinese writing in the background on my shower curtain? Think about it like doing calligraphy, okay? It's that simple. So I always start in the very corner. Drag it on out. You don't want your eyeliner to be too thick. Then it's gonna become, you might as well be doing eyeshadow with your eyeliner. I'm gonna bring that corner up, and as I pull it out with my eyeliner, I'm slowly gonna let it go with my hand. That way it kind of does its own thing. Let's rewind. Just a little bit. Sweating doesn't help at all, but that's perfect right there. It takes a few tries. Take your time. Try, and try again. Perfect practice makes perfect, okay, you guys? Eyeliner first, then eyeshadow, unlike last time. Alright, since these are the colors that I have on, if you can see, these are the colors I have on. I just picked 2 or 3 colors, maybe 1 color from those colors that I have on. As many colors as you feel like you need to do. That's up to you, your preference. Okay. This is the tool that I'm going to use to do my eyeshadow. I have no clue exactly what this is used for, but that's what it looks like there. Can you see it better like that? Okay, here we go. I'm going to take this blue right here is what I'm going to use. I'm not going to use this brush because this brush has been used many times. It's getting old. This is my first time using this, so might as well use it. Here we go. I'm gonna put it on the corner right there. I usually go halfway to the middle with that whatever color. Halfway to the middle. Like so. Can you see that? Other side, same thing. I'm gonna go back in with this pink middle, well, corner to middle. If you know the exact name of this brush, see how that tip looks? Go ahead and comment below, what is the name of this particular brush? What is it exactly used for, okay? Because I don't know. We're getting there. We're learning together. I'm going to take my yellow. These are the 3 colors I'm working with. I'm going to take my yellow, and by the way, this is by LA Colors. Nothing too fancy. I'm going to take the yellow, and I'm going to go right there in the middle. Y'all see that? Ooh, that girl bad. That girl bad. All right. Next eye, same thing, right in the middle. If you're not a fan of doing colors, y'all, bright colors, it's okay. Try it once. If you don't like it, go back and try a different color. Just try it. You never know. Don't be hating on the bright colors, y'all. Don't hate. Okay. Last but not least, I'm going to use, well, not last but not least, because we got to do mascara, and that'll be last. This is a highlight palette by NYX. This was given to me by my best friend. We're going to use this color right here, that bronze looking color. We're going to use that right under my eyebrow. Ooh, ooh. I'm gonna give a better finishing look when I get to the end so you can see it in lighting a little bit better than what I'm doing. All right, y'all, this is what we're looking at right now. What you think? I will be back with the complete final finished look with the mascara. All right, guys, I'm back. So here are the final results after applying mascara and redoing my eyeliner. And I put on lip gloss as well. What do you think? If you like what you see, go ahead and comment down below what other makeup ideas you would like to see. And thank you so much for watching. See you next video.